Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on read receipts for direct messages, chats and conversations in the LinkedIn mobile application on your Android. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, navigate to the list of chats and conversations in your LinkedIn app, and you will need to access your data privacy settings inside your account to find that read receipt feature. So to do that, tap into these three dots on the top right here inside your chat list, and from there navigate to manage settings at the bottom of that list. And from here guys, simply swipe down inside your privacy settings till you get to this feature here, read receipt. Tap into it and simply enable it here by switching it on. Just remember guys that read receipt works both ways, which means your contact will need to have the read receipt feature enabled in their LinkedIn account as well, so that it may work properly and flawlessly guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.